Here's a hot take. We keep pretending unit tests are the foundation of software quality, and yeah, that made sense 10 years ago. Today, not so much. And if you like honest engineering takes, stick around. So, back in the day, mocking everything was the only realistic option. Spinning up a real database, a real queue, a real SMTP server, forget it. Tests would be slow, flaky, hard to set up, so unit tests became the king. Cheap, isolated, predictable. That's why the testing pyramid made sense at the time. Lots of unit tests, some integration, very few end to end. But it wasn't our religion, it was just a reflection of the tooling limits we had. But the world changed. Docker changed everything, and tools like Testcontainers changed it even more. Today, you can spin up real dependencies inside your tests: Postgres, Redis, Kafka, S3, SMTP, even full microservices in seconds. Not mocks, not fakes. The real thing. So suddenly, integration tests stop being expensive and painful and start being pretty great. We finally had the infrastructure to test reality instead of testing theory. Mocking in SMTP flow 10 years ago was a nightmare. Today, test containers plus mail hog. Spin it up, send a real email, inspect it in minutes. And here's the real problem with the old pyramid. If you try to test everything at every level, unit, integration, end to end, you get real work. Change one rule, unit breaks, integration breaks, E2E breaks. Your will to live breaks. The goal isn't to delete unit tests, they're still great for pure logic, but they are no longer the center of gravity. Today, you want fewer mocks and more reality, because reality is cheap now. So instead of thinking how many tests do I need at each level, think where is the best cost benefit today with modern tooling. And more often than not, that means lots of meaningful unit tests, solid integration tests with real infra, a few E2Es that actually matter. High unit test coverage used to be impressive. Now, what impresses me is a system that works end to end, with real components, real behavior, and real confidence. And if this gave you a different way to look at testing, hit the like button. It helps me more than you think. And if you want more honest engineering content, please subscribe. I drop new videos every week. See you in the next one.